To create a PayPal Me link, start by going to the PayPal website and logging into your account. If you do not have a PayPal account, you will need to create one first. Once you are logged in, click on the settings icon, which is usually represented by a gear. In the settings menu, click on account settings and then scroll down to the section labeled PayPal Me. Click on the Get Started button to begin the process of creating your PayPal Me link. You will then be prompted to choose a username for your PayPal Me link. This username will be the unique identifier in your PayPal Me link, so choose something that is easy to remember and relevant to your business or personal brand. Once you have chosen your username, click on the Create Link button to generate your PayPal Me link. Your PayPal Me link will be in the format of PayPal Me / your username. You can now share your PayPal Me link with others to receive payments. When someone clicks on your PayPal Me link, they will be taken to a page where they can enter the amount they want to send to you and complete the transaction. It is a good idea to customize your PayPal Me link by adding a specific amount or a description to the link. This can be done by adding parameters to the end of the link, such as the amount or a note. For example, if you want to create a PayPal Me link that requests a specific amount, you can add the amount parameter to the end of the link. This will pre-fill the amount field on the payment page, making it easier for the sender to complete the transaction. Best practices for using PayPal Me links include only sharing the link with trusted individuals and keeping your PayPal account information up to date. You should also be aware of any fees associated with receiving payments through PayPal. By following these steps, you can create a PayPal Me link and start receiving payments from others. The PayPal Me link is a convenient and easy-to-use way to receive payments and can be a useful tool for businesses and individuals alike.